Sound meditations for body and mind. The essence of meditation and mindfulness practice is to give your mind a rest and to consciously let go of thoughts that create stress and anxiety. We sleep to rest the body, but the mind's subconscious is activated, and we can often wake up exhausted from busy and sometimes anxious dreams. So we need to rest the mind in a conscious state. In this audio presentation, we will establish how to prepare for the practice of both mindfulness and meditation. We begin by learning to sit with a correctly aligned spine, to observe, regulate, slow down and control the breath. This in turn will act upon the mind and begin to still its chatter and noise. What is meditation and mindfulness? It is the practice of self-awareness as opposed to self-obsession. The watching of the moment, which is best achieved by the observation of your breath. We are often not aware of our breathing unless there is something wrong, and we are forced to notice it has changed, feels uncomfortable, and/or strained. Trying to be aware of our present time is about trying to notice things, like being in our body rather than in our heads. We think we live in our house or a flat, but actually we mostly live in our heads. Wherever we run to, we take our minds with us. Learning to be aware of the mind's constant dialogue is the first step to meditation. Establishing breathing techniques. Without establishing the importance of the breath and breathing properly, we are unable to successfully still the mind and to bring attention to our breath and to be fully present in our body. The mind and breath are interdependent, and one illustrates the other. Still breath, still mind, still here. Part 1. Preparing to sit. Find a comfortable place to sit, either on a chair with feet placed apart on the floor in a cross-legged position, or anywhere where you are able to keep a straight spine. A straight, uplifted spine encourages the ability to breathe well and fully, as the ribs will not press upon the lungs. Once a comfortable seated position is established, place your palms on the end of your knees, either upturned or down. Pull your elbows towards your hips and relax your shoulders. Allow your head to feel gently balanced between your shoulders. Part 2. Observing the breath. Sitting upright with arms and palms placed with ease, close your eyes and using your inside eyes, begin to watch your familiar breathing pattern. Don't do anything, simply watch. Relax your jaw, keeping your teeth apart but your lips softly closed. Notice if you breathe in, but don't breathe out. Breathe out, but don't breathe in. Be aware of its rhythm, slow or fast, regular or irregular. When was the last time you noticed your breathing? Take your time to discover something about your breath, as it may be the first time you have thought about breathing. Part 3. Yogic or abdominal breathing. You may wish to lie down flat on the floor or to continue to sit. Begin to attach your thoughts to your breathing, watching it come into your body and watching it go out. Follow the path of your breath in through the nose and watch it leave through the nose. Place your hands on your lower belly from the navel downwards. Do not press them into your belly, but gently place palms down and ensure shoulders are relaxed and your jaw and face are also soft. Close your eyes and imagine you have a balloon in your lower belly. Give it a colour to help fix your mind on it. Take a deep and slow inhalation through the nose and imagine the balloon filling up with your breath. Feel your belly rise and your hands lift as the balloon fills up. Then breathe out slowly, feeling the belly and hands lower as your balloon deflates. Keep your thoughts attached to the breath. If your mind wanders and starts thinking about something else, bring it back to the breath. The mind is like a muscle. Each time your thoughts drift away, then you bring them back, you become mentally stronger. Part 4. Establishing rhythmic breathing. You may either sit up comfortably or continue to lie on the floor. Relax your arms now by your side if you're on the floor, or sit them in your lap if sitting. In a moment, you will breathe in slowly for 3 counts, hold for 1, and then exhale for 4. Bring your attention to your breath again, watching it come in through the nose and out through the nose. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, hold the breath. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, hold the breath. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, hold the breath. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue to breathe. Mentally count your way through the breath a few times until you feel calm and centered. Once you have felt your body begin to release tension, then you know you have established your breath and you're ready to practice mindfulness and meditation.